One cold evening, a poor boy was walking home. He had no food, no money. Suddenly, he heard a weak sound, meow, behind a broken box. There was a tiny cat, wet, hungry, and injured. The boy gently picked it up. He shared the little bread he had. The cat slowly started eating. That night, they slept together under a small shelter. From that day, followed him everywhere. When the boy felt lonely, the cat stayed beside him. Two souls, both struggling to survive, but together, they became family. Sometimes, the smallest kindness creates the strongest friendship.